Okay, here's question 9 on the higher non-calculator paper. It says the diagram shows a prism. Alright, so I realize it's talking about prism. I'm thinking about what it's going to ask next, and here it is. Work out the volume of the prism. Now, straight away you should be thinking, okay, volume of a prism, what's the formula to work this out? On the formula sheet at the front of the exam script is the formula for the volume of prism. The area of cross-section, so the area of cross-section is this bit here, right? And that times in by the length of the prism. So I'm actually going to write that formula in. So volume of prism is area of cross-section, and I'm going to times that by the length. Okay, what I'm going to do, though, therefore, is work out the area of this bit front. Now, to work out the area of this bit at the front, this is a compound shape. It's not a normal shape. It's made up out of two rectangles. So I'm going to actually slice it down here. You could have gone across there, but I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to work out the area of this rectangle here. And the area of that rectangle, area of rectangle is length times width, 4 times 7. 4 times 7. And then I need to work out the area of this bit over here. Now, this distance all the way across is 9. I know this side here is 2, so when I'm working out my area, I'm going to do 2 times something. I need to work out what this distance here is. Now that is exactly the same as this distance at the bottom. That's 4, so this here must be 4. 4 add 5 is 9, so the distance across here and at the top here is 5. So to work out this area, it's going to be 5 times 2, or 2 times 5, right? And that, both of those calculations is going to give me the area of the cross-section. So the area of cross-section is going to be 4 times 7. I'll work that out. Add that to 2 times 5. 4 times 7 is 28. Add 2 times 5 is 10. And altogether that's 38 centimeters squared. But remember, to work out the volume of a prism is the area of the cross-section times the length. The length is how far back it goes. And how far back does this go? It goes back 10 centimeters. So the volume of the prism is going to be 38 times 10. And 38 times 10 is 380 centimeters cubed. I've written that there, but actually centimeters cubed is already written in the answer space, and I'm just writing it now. 380 centimeters cubed. This question is worth 3 marks, and it's actually come up in this almost identical form a couple of times already. Make sure you know it, make sure you know how to do it, and if you get something similar, make sure you can actually get it all correct.